bitch, I really got it. Just like a rubber band, you know that I'ma pop it. Refresh your page and you gon' see that I'm the topic. You gotta put one in my head for me to stop it. Cause bitch, I got it. These niggas tryna take me out.
My heart went oops, yeah. My heart just got stuck between these loops. My mind got
the more dramatic baby hair look, inspired by the era. Yeah, these baby hairs a bit much, and my part I gotta go over it with the hot comb so it can be more defined. I went for the more dramatic baby hair look. Now I gotta get a hot comb and press this down so this part can show, and then it'll be like this.
Go back and reword or probably cite, because some of it is
14% and lower. So the target game score should be lower.
This hair is like 18 and it's a wig, and I installed it myself, so no props to me because I'm only getting better at this hair. So my hair review. The hair so far seems really good. No tangling, no shedding, none of that. It's very easy to pluck. The baby hairs, I'm feeling it. Let me give y'all a different view. This is my first time doing like a side part like up like this and stuff. And I really gotta fix it a little because I slept on it. But y'all see from the pictures and videos yesterday that the hair is bomb. Yeah, all good vibes right now. No complaints. There was no smell. So yeah, my review on this hair is that I like it so far. My hands run straight through this hair. And the curls are really bouncy. I love that. And the hair curls good. I wonder if it straightens good, but I'm pretty sure it does because the hair is really light. So it should. And I can switch into a middle part, but this is what I'm feeling for right now. So yeah. The link is in the bio of how to get this hair. And alright, make sure you like this video, subscribe if not subscribed already, and tell a friend about my channel, you feel me?